Hi everybody, welcome back to my Instagram or Facebook page. My name is KPORSER, and if you're watching this video, it's going to be my first ever episode of Recommended by KPORSER. So it's going to be a series about me recommending beauty products that I personally enjoy using and that make a difference on my makeup or skincare routine. So we're going to talk makeup, skincare, house item, clothing, or whatsoever I feel like recommending that they are talking about. Obviously, being a beauty enthusiast, a makeup enthusiast, on my first episode I'm going to talk about makeup. Okay, I know you are all happy, so let's just start with the product. And first of all, I wanted to recommend a foundation. Okay, so here it is. The first foundation I'm going to recommend is my Bobbi Brown Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundation. This came out a couple of years ago, I don't know when, but I've personally started using it in summer of 2020, and I've been loving it ever since, especially since I have problematic skin. I have acne scarring mark, deep acne scarring mark, and I have oily skin, a combination that does not like makeup. Okay, especially foundation, heavy full coverage foundation, my skin don't like. So if you're a girl like have issue like me and want a nice fluid liquid foundation that give coverage without looking cakey and a matte finish without looking extra dry, I recommend you should try the Bobbi Brown with Skin Long Wear Weightless Foundations. It have a good range of colors, so you can move from being fair as powder or flower, or you can be dark as night. They have a good selection of colors, and I got mine from London. What is the store called? I forgot the name, but anyway, I'll put a link to both UK and EU and as well US where you can buy it from, or and places I recommend you buying from where I believe they may be carrying more selection of shades, and that is it. So make sure you try it, and if you are in Italy or US, I know that from Sephora you can have sample of it to try it at home. Another product I'm going to recommend is the lipstick color I'm wearing today, and don't mind the tube. I know this is a limited edition tube, but the shade itself is not a limited edition color, and the color is called Set to Sizzle, and it's not a matte finish lipstick. It's more of I don't know how to say, a shimmery, ordinary finish makeup lipstick color. But the reason why I'm recommending this lipstick color is because of the season we're getting in now, spring and summer. We're already in spring and summer, because this is a very beautiful shade or color of pink, which is for a black girl is a nice nude pink, and for a more Caucasian girl is a more golden type of pink that's really suits you when you have that tan on your skin. You know, when you go to the beach and you have, you know, tan skin and glowy, nice natural tan skin, this lipstick I believe will fit also Caucasian girl. For moi black girl is a overall the year beautiful lipstick. The color suit dark skin girl. You can see I'm not dark skin towards the fair side, I'm dark skin towards the dark side. Okay, so in the scale between, you know, dark fair and dark, I'm a little bit pushed toward dark than fair. So I always struggle to look for beautiful pinkish color lipstick that suits me, because most of them do look archy or off tone. Do you know what I mean? Okay, you know what I mean. So this is the lipstick I recommend. A third product I recommend is the Kiko. This called 3D Hydra lip glosses. These have been a lip glosses that Kiko have been carrying for so long, and the reason why I recommend them, first of all, because you do have a lot of products for the price, and they come in really many range of colors. So if you like red instead of pink, I'm a more purple pinkish girl when it comes to lip colors. I have lip gloss in all the shades of pink because I just like them. I believe they suit me better, but they do have a nice range of color. But most importantly, these lip gloss have a high coverage of pigmentation rather, and they do leave your lip hydrated for a long period of time. So it's not an affordable lip gloss that after 1 hour disappear from your lips, leaving your lip dry. It does dry down during the day, but it doesn't dry down where your lip feel uncomfortable or extremely dry. This is like, let me show you. I have 3 that are my favorite colors. They are here. So my camera did cut off because I was recording through my phone Canon app. So when the phone go off, the camera does go off. But let's just continue with our video. The last and fourth product I want to recommend in this first episode is a nude eyeshadow palette, and that is the one from Too Faced, Born This Way, the natural nude. And the reason why I recommending this palette is, first of all, personally I enjoyed it, and secondly is because for summertime this is a all year round palette, but especially for spring and summer I think people want to create more like a warm bronzing skin look now, especially now it's in style, but with summer I think it's more and more accentuated, this warm bronzy eye, face, skin makeup look. And a palette that summarizes everything is this and Too Faced palette. The colors, I don't know if it's going to concentrate the camera, okay, the colors go from dark to fair, and they're interesting because you don't have to be fair to use the fair color or dark to use the dark colors. All the colors works on every skin tone, and most nicely or better off is the fact that for every matte shade is pair a shimmery shade. I personally don't really use the equivalent of shimmery shade for the matte shade. I always jump to the next one. I just find it works better for my skin complexion and how my makeup style. But it's interesting to know, just to make your life easier, if you want to use that shimmery shade that matches your matte transitioning color, you have a equivalent in both matte and shimmery one. So this palette, I don't really know how much it's run for. I know it's a little bit up the drugstore pricing, but not too much expensive, and it's easy to find in the UK, Europe and USA, and I believe in most countries that have like malls and things like that. So these are the 4 products I'm recommending you today. Please let me know in the comment section if you use any of them, if you wanted to try it, and what are your thoughts, if you're seeing it in shop, if you agree or disagree with me. Please leave your comment down below, and make sure to give a thumbs up button, a like button, a double tap on this video if you find it interesting. And I mean, if you just was scrolling on the internet and watching stuff and my video pop up and you like it, please support me. I'm not new to makeup or YouTube, but I'm just trying to make something, you know, variable, and your support will be much appreciated to let my page grow. So make sure to like and start following me. And that being said, my name is KPORSER, and thank you for watching. Bye.